I hope everyone is doing fine. So it was a really sad day for me. I wanted opinion of my online brothers on something trivial. I wanted opinion of my online brothers. So my father asked my opinion on if we should shift our company and business and family to Dubai. As you can see, this is Pakistan is our country. I've heard that Dubai has a really bad climate over the year and it has a really hot weather. As you can see, this is our country, Pakistan. Even right now it is raining. The monsoon season is going on. It is the mid of July right now and it should be really hot right now, but it is raining right now in Pakistan, as you can see around. It has a really cold breeze. Pakistan overall, it is raining in Lahore right now. As you can see, I am showing you the moments live over here. So give me the opinion if we should shift our company and family to Dubai. Dubai has a really bad climate over the year. Dubai has a lot of potential for businesses and a lot of potential for a safe family, for a safe life, but this is Pakistan. Pakistan is our country. We can't just leave everything behind. Thousands of people travel from our company Niazi Express on a daily basis from one place to another, and you all know about it. So I wanted your opinion if we should shift to Dubai. We should start a new business. We could get into transport field or any other field. Dubai has a lot of potential, and I mean a lot of potential for businesses. You all know that Dubai is the hub of trade and commerce. While Pakistan also has a lot of potential. Punjab has been known as an ancient trading hub. Lahore is one of the greatest hubs for centuries now. It has been one of the most influential cities in India. It was one of the most influential cities in the time of the Mughal Empire. And Lahore overall, it has a really nice feel to it. As you can see, even right now it is raining. The monsoon season is going on in Pakistan right now, and it rains a lot. A cold breeze is going on around the country, and I'm showing you the moments live. So I wanted opinion if we should shift to Dubai. Dubai is in the Arabian Peninsula, as you all know. It has a really hot climate overall. Arabia overall, it was a desert, but cities are built on top of it, thanks to hard work by the Arabs. But we can't just leave everything behind. Punjab has been a hub of prosperity for ages now. Punjab has any civilizations based in Punjab have had the greatest and the most have been the most economically powerful countries in the region. But as you can see, Pakistan right now it is going through a lot. High inflation rates, high tax rates, and business overall isn't really good here in Pakistan. So I wanted opinion of my online brothers. Dubai would be a really good choice to shift our business to and family to, but Dubai overall it will not feel like home. Pakistan is our home. It is our place. We can't just leave everything behind. So it was a really trivial decision for me, a really tough decision for me, a really tough opinion. So I wanted opinion of my online brothers. My online brothers, they will tell me if we should do it or not, if we should shift our business and family to Dubai or we should stay in Pakistan. So give me your prayers. So give me your comments. I want the opinion of your online brothers. So if we should shift to Dubai or not. Pakistan, as you can see, the country is beautiful. It may not be as beautiful as Dubai. Dubai has buildings, but Pakistan has ancient history. It has ancient monuments, and Dubai has none of that. And Pakistan overall, it has a really nice feel to it. So keep me in your prayers, give me your opinions. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.